Question number 3. Let A and B be a variable point on x-axis and y-axis respectively, such that the line segment AB is in the first quadrant of a fixed length 2D. Let C be the midpoint of AB and P be a point such that P and the origin are on the opposite side of AB. P is the line segment of length D which is perpendicular to AB. Find the locus of P. So at first I want to draw the diagram of this. So at first I shall draw the diagram of this question. Let it is D, the midpoint, the length is 2D, so it is also D, D and D. So all three are D. Now, if the line is x by a plus y by b equal to 1, then this point is a comma 0 and this is the point clearly which is 0 comma b. Now, in that case, as this is the midpoint, so it is a plus b by 2, sorry, this is a by 2 and it is b by 2, as it is the midpoint of this segment. Now, slope of this line, its slope is minus b by a. Therefore, slope of this line is a by b. So, as the slope of this line is a by b, so definitely I can say that tan theta equal to a by b. Now question is that what would be the coordinate of this point? Now as tan theta equal to a by b, that implies sin theta equal to a by root over of a square plus b square and cos theta equal to b by root over of a square plus b square. Now from the problem we know that the length of this segment is 2D. Length of this segment is 2D and it is a and this is b. So by the simple Pythagoras theorem, you say that a square plus b square equal to 4b square or a square plus b square under root equal to 2d. Therefore, the value of sin theta, this is a by 2d, and the value of cos theta, this is b by 2d. These are the value of sin theta and cos theta, a by 2d and b by 2d. Now, if I apply the parametric rule of straight line here, we know that x minus a by 2 by cos theta equal to y minus b by 2 by sin theta equal to d. Now, within the parametric relationship, we will get x equal to d cos theta plus a by 2 and y equal to d sin theta plus b by 2. Now, sin theta equal to a by 2d and cos theta equal to b by 2d. According to that, x equal to a plus b by 2 and y equal to a plus b by 2. So the locus is very clear, that is x equal to y. Now x equal to y is a complete straight line, but here in this question it is given that let a and b be a variable point on x-axis and y-axis respectively, such that the line segment AB is in the first quadrant. So in the problem it is given that the rod lies on the first quadrant only. So definitely I have to find the range of the locus. Now how to find the range of the locus? There are two limiting points. Number one, a would be 0 or b would be 0, and number 2, a equal to b. So these are two limiting points. So according to the two limiting points, we have to find the locus of this, because otherwise the thing is symmetrical. So at first, if I consider that A equal to B, then A square plus A square equal to 4B square, and hence we will get A equal to root 2D. And if A equal to 0, then we will get B square equal to 4B square, so B equal to 2D. Now, in that system, when x equal to A plus B by 2 and y equal to B A plus B by 2, now if we consider A equal to B, then that A plus B by 2, if A equal to B, that becomes A comma A, and when A equal to B, then A equal to root 2, so that becomes root 2D comma root 2D. Now again, if A is 0, then what we will get? We will get this one, A plus B by 2, only B by 2, and in such a way we will get D comma T, because at that time B equal to 2D. We will get the similar thing when B equal to 0. Therefore, the locus is a line segment ranges over D comma D to root 2D comma root 2D. Okay? So